Welcome to our journey into the world of acids, bases, and salts. These substances are all around us, from the food we eat to the cleaning products we use. In this video, we'll explore what makes something an acid or a base, how they interact, and why they matter in our daily lives. By the end, you'll see chemistry in a whole new light, understanding the science behind everyday reactions and products. Let's start by defining acids and bases using the ion theory, which forms the foundation for much of modern chemistry. According to the ion theory, acids are substances that release hydrogen ions, H+, when dissolved in water, while bases release hydroxide ions O. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl in water produces H+ ions, making the solution acidic. On the other hand, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, releases O ions, making the solution basic. This simple yet powerful concept helps us understand why acids and bases behave the way they do in different reactions. Indicators are special substances that change color depending on whether they are in an acidic or basic environment. They help us identify if a solution is acidic or basic without tasting it. Common examples include litmus paper, which turns red in acid and blue in base, and phenolphthalein, which is colorless in acid but pink in base. These simple tools are essential in laboratories and even in classrooms for quick tests. When acids react with metals, they typically produce hydrogen gas and a salt. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc, it forms zinc chloride and releases hydrogen gas. This reaction is often seen in school experiments, where you might notice bubbles forming as the gas escapes. Such reactions are not just limited to the lab, they also occur in nature and industry, playing a role in processes like metal corrosion. When a base reacts with an ammonium salt, ammonia gas is released. For instance, sodium hydroxide reacting with ammonium chloride produces sodium chloride, water, and ammonia gas. This reaction is important in laboratories and industry, especially for producing ammonia, which is used in fertilizers and cleaning products. The release of ammonia gas is often detected by its strong, pungent smell. Neutralization is a chemical reaction where an acid and a base combine to form water and a salt. This process is crucial in many everyday applications, such as treating indigestion with antacids or balancing soil pH in agriculture. The reaction typically involves the hydrogen ions from the acid and the hydroxide ions from the base coming together to form water, leaving behind a salt as a byproduct. pH scale is a numerical scale ranging from 0 to 14 that measures how acidic or basic a solution is. A pH of 7 is neutral, values below 7 are acidic, and values above 7 are basic. This scale helps us quickly assess the nature of a solution, whether it's lemon juice, which is acidic, or soap, which is basic. The pH scale is a universal tool in chemistry, biology, and environmental science. The pH of substances around us affects everything from our health to the environment. For example, the pH of drinking water, soil, and even our food can influence taste, safety, and plant growth. In our bodies, maintaining the right pH is essential for proper functioning. That's why understanding pH isn't just for scientists, it's important for everyone. Human blood has a slightly basic pH, typically around 7.4. This narrow range is vital for our survival, as even small changes can disrupt bodily functions. The body has natural mechanisms to keep blood pH stable, such as the buffering system. This balance ensures that enzymes and cells work efficiently, keeping us healthy and active. Sodium hydroxide, also known as caustic soda, is prepared industrially by the electrolysis of brine, which is a concentrated solution of sodium chloride in water. During this process, sodium ions combine with hydroxide ions to form sodium hydroxide, while chlorine and hydrogen gases are also produced. This method is widely used because it's efficient and produces pure sodium hydroxide for various uses. Bleaching powder is a white powder commonly used for disinfecting and bleaching. Chemically, it's known as calcium oxychloride. It's produced by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. Bleaching powder is a staple in households and industries for its strong cleaning and disinfecting properties. Bleaching powder is widely used for disinfecting drinking water, bleaching fabrics in the textile industry, and cleaning surfaces. Its ability to kill germs makes it essential in public health, especially in water treatment plants. It's also used in paper and laundry industries for whitening and stain removal. Baking soda, a common household item, has the chemical formula NaHCO3, which stands for sodium bicarbonate. It's widely used in baking as a leavening agent, helping dough rise. Besides cooking, it's also used for cleaning, deodorizing, and even in some medical applications for neutralizing acids. Washing soda, or sodium carbonate, is prepared by heating baking soda. When sodium bicarbonate is heated, it decomposes to form sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. Washing soda is a powerful cleaning agent, often used in laundry detergents and for softening water. Its preparation is a simple yet important chemical process. Plaster of Paris is a white powder made by heating gypsum. Chemically, it's known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. When mixed with water, it hardens quickly, making it ideal for casting and molding. It's widely used in construction, art, and medical fields for making casts and sculptures. Plaster of Paris is used for making casts for broken bones and for creating decorative items in architecture. Its ability to set quickly and form a hard surface makes it invaluable in hospitals and construction sites. Artists also use it for making detailed sculptures and models. Tooth decay often starts when the pH in the mouth drops below 5.5. At this acidic level, the enamel on teeth begins to dissolve, making them vulnerable to cavities. Sugary foods and drinks can lower mouth pH, so maintaining good oral hygiene and a balanced diet is crucial for healthy teeth. Acids play a vital role in digestion. The stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps break down food and kill harmful bacteria. This acidic environment activates digestive enzymes, ensuring nutrients are properly absorbed. Without stomach acid, digestion would be much less efficient. Common salt, or sodium chloride, is essential in daily life. It's used for seasoning food, preserving meat, and even in industrial processes. Salt helps maintain fluid balance in our bodies and supports nerve and muscle function. Its importance goes far beyond just adding flavor to meals. When acids react with carbonates, they produce a salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. For example, hydrochloric acid reacting with calcium carbonate forms calcium chloride, water, and bubbles of carbon dioxide. This reaction is commonly seen in effervescent tablets and in the natural weathering of rocks. Salts are crucial in various industries. They're used in manufacturing glass, soap, detergents, and even in the textile industry for dyeing fabrics. Salts also play a role in water treatment and food preservation. Their versatility makes them indispensable in modern industry. Acids are present in many everyday items, such as citrus fruits, vinegar, and soft drinks. They add flavor, preserve food, and even help clean surfaces. Understanding their properties helps us use them safely and effectively in our homes. Bases are found in products like soap, toothpaste, and baking powder. They help clean, neutralize acids, and even make baked goods fluffy. Knowing where bases are used can help us appreciate their role in our daily routines. There are many types of salts beyond table salt, such as Epsom salt, used for baths, and potassium nitrate, used in fertilizers. Each type of salt has unique properties and uses, making them valuable in different fields. Many cleaning products rely on acids, bases, or salts to remove stains and disinfect surfaces. For example, vinegar, an acid, cuts through mineral deposits, while baking soda, a base, neutralizes odors. Understanding the chemistry behind these products helps us clean more effectively and safely. The taste of many foods depends on their acidity or basicity. Lemons and oranges are acidic, giving them a tangy flavor, while some vegetables are slightly basic. Chefs use this knowledge to balance flavors in dishes, creating delicious meals. Soil pH affects plant growth. Farmers test soil pH to ensure crops get the nutrients they need. If the soil is too acidic or basic, they add lime or fertilizers to adjust it, promoting healthy plants and better harvests. Maintaining the right pH in swimming pools is crucial for safety and comfort. If the water is too acidic, it can irritate skin and eyes. If too basic, it can cause scaling and cloudy water. Pool owners use pH tests and chemicals to keep water balanced. Many medicines use acids or bases to treat conditions. For example, antacids neutralize excess stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn. Some drugs are formulated as salts to improve their effectiveness and absorption in the body. Industries use acids for manufacturing fertilizers, cleaning metals, and producing batteries. Sulfuric acid, for example, is one of the most widely used industrial chemicals. Its strong reactivity makes it valuable for many processes. Bases like sodium hydroxide are used in making soap, paper, and textiles. Their ability to react with fats and oils makes them essential in saponification, the process of making soap. Bases also help neutralize acidic waste in factories. Salts are used to preserve food by drawing out moisture and preventing bacterial growth. This method has been used for centuries to keep meat, fish, and vegetables fresh for longer periods. Salted foods are a staple in many cultures. Environmental scientists monitor the pH of rivers, lakes, and rain to assess pollution levels. Acid rain, caused by industrial emissions, can lower the pH of water bodies, harming aquatic life. Keeping pH balanced is vital for a healthy ecosystem. In laboratories, acids and bases are used for titrations, preparing solutions, and conducting experiments. Safety is crucial when handling these chemicals, as they can be corrosive. Proper equipment and procedures ensure accurate results and safe practices. Buffer solutions help maintain a stable pH in various systems, from our blood to industrial processes. They resist changes in pH when small amounts of acid or base are added, ensuring stability in chemical and biological reactions. Animals are sensitive to changes in pH, especially aquatic species. Fish and other water creatures need a specific pH range to survive. Pollution and acid rain can disrupt these conditions, threatening biodiversity. Plants require a certain pH range in soil to absorb nutrients effectively. If the soil is too acidic or basic, plants may show poor growth or nutrient deficiencies. Gardeners and farmers often test soil pH to ensure optimal conditions. Cosmetic products like shampoos and lotions are formulated to match the skin's natural pH. This prevents irritation and keeps skin healthy. Manufacturers carefully balance ingredients to create gentle, effective products. Batteries use acids or bases as electrolytes to generate electricity. Car batteries, for example, use sulfuric acid, while some household batteries use alkaline solutions. These chemical reactions power everything from cars to remote controls. Maintaining the right pH in fish tanks is essential for healthy fish. Owners regularly test water pH and adjust it with special solutions to mimic natural habitats. This helps prevent stress and disease in aquarium fish. Cleaning agents are formulated with specific pH levels to tackle different types of dirt and stains. Acidic cleaners remove mineral deposits, while basic cleaners cut through grease. Choosing the right cleaner makes household chores easier and more effective. Salts like potassium chloride and sodium bicarbonate are used in medicine to treat various conditions. They help balance electrolytes, manage acidity, and support bodily functions. Medical salts are carefully dosed for safety and effectiveness. We've explored the fascinating world of acids, bases, and salts, from their definitions and reactions to their roles in daily life and industry. Understanding these chemicals helps us make informed choices, whether in the kitchen, garden, or workplace. Chemistry truly connects every aspect of our lives. From cleaning our homes to growing food and treating illnesses, acids, bases, and salts have countless practical uses. Their chemistry powers industries, protects our health, and even enhances our meals. The more we understand, the better we can use these substances safely and efficiently. Acids, bases, and salts are more than just topics in a textbook. They are essential to life as we know it. By understanding their properties and uses, we gain a deeper appreciation for the science that shapes our world. Keep exploring, and you'll find chemistry everywhere you look.